Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with another motivational thought to start your week. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, "You gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which you really stop to look fear in the face. You must do the same thing which you think you cannot do." Some of the greatest ideas and inventions of men have failed to be realized because of fear. Those who wish to become successful in life can never do so until they overcome the fears that are holding them in check. Fear is the greatest demotivator known to man, and just as Mrs. Roosevelt suggested, the best way to conquer it is to do the exact thing it is telling you not to do. Someone once described fear with the acronym FEAR, which stands for false evidence appearing real. No doubt when someone is in the grip of fear, it can seem as real can be. Fear is merely an illusion that stems from our emotions or a defensive mechanism that warns us of impending danger. It may be that our First Lady's quote was inspired by something her husband had said when he announced America's entry into the Second World War after the Japanese attacked Pearl Harbor. His words contained a powerful truth that everyone hoping to win in life needs to remember. And that is, the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Successful people learn to face their fears and use them as fuel to propel them forward in the battles they are facing. They're not afraid of losing. They know that success is ultimately the result of a life that has experienced both losses and victories along the way. In fact, great leaders will tell you that they cannot truly appreciate winning until you've experienced the anguish and upset of losing. Let me also say that by winning and success, I'm not referring solely to the obtaining of financial riches. There are plenty of winners who have achieved great success without riches, and there is no lack of losers who have accumulated great financial wealth but are still losers. It is not what you have that makes you a success or not. It is who you are and what you do with the resources and talents you have been given in life. This is what defines a true winner. Many of life's greatest achievers came from backgrounds or circumstances that offered little chance for success. Yet they carved out a niche for themselves by their courage and their determination to overcome the obstacles that stood in the way of their dreams and aspirations for success. At the same time, many who had great opportunities placed at their feet failed to achieve anything substantial in life because fear held them back from everything they could have done. Just think what they could have achieved if they only had the courage to try. Successful people fall down just like everyone else does. They suffer the same cuts and bruises all runners suffer, but they don't stop to sing the blues about what they could have done, or tell tales about the giants they almost conquered along the way. They rise up and quickly get back into the race, aware of the pain, but focusing only on the goal ahead that beckons them to continue on. The way you view the fears that challenge you in this life will determine whether you will succeed in reaching your goals or fail to achieve them. You were made for success, and there is nothing to fear but fear itself. So take courage from the heroes who came before you and faced great challenges, but ultimately won the balance they choose to fight.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.